back to my channel. Today we are making a huge slime on the floor. It's so heavy. I used like 2 liters of glue. Some food coloring, I'm using blue. I'm so afraid. Some baking soda. Mix. Lastly, we are going to add some contact lens solution. More baking soda. Oh. Oh my god. Mix, mix. Especially I use this expensive one. This is like 20 euros for one, and I almost used 2. I think I'm going to add more baking soda. now it's starting to activate. I'm on my nerves right now. There is even a spoon in it because I can't find it anymore. I remember I made a very huge slime with 10 liters of glue. I must search this video, it's on YouTube. It was so crazy. I used like 5 of this and 10 liters of Elmer's glue, and this was the craziest thing I ever made. And it was so funny, and then I threw the slime away because it was so big. Oh my god, you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe my channel. Comment something what I should try next. Should I try a huger slime like 10 kilos? Let me know. Subscribe my channel and see you next week.